Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Skill Channel. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Hello, everyone.
Olivia, are you okay? You don't sound well.
I don't feel good, John. I think I'm getting sick.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that, but actually this is perfect for today's lesson.
Really? How?
Today, we're learning how to talk about feeling sick in English.
That's exactly what I need right now.
Yes. When you're sick, you need to describe your symptoms to doctors, pharmacists, or even friends. This is very important.
What will we learn today?
We'll learn how to describe symptoms, talk to a doctor, ask for medicine, and tell someone you need to stay home.
Perfect. Even though I don't feel well, I'm excited to teach this.
That's the spirit.
Yes. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the like button and share with friends learning English.
Thank you. Now, Olivia, let's learn how to talk about being sick. Let's start.
Hello, this is Olivia. May I speak to my manager, please?
Hi, Olivia. This is Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm not feeling well today. I think I need to stay home.
Oh no. What's wrong? Are you okay?
I have a bad headache, a sore throat, and I'm very tired. I think I have a cold.
That sounds awful. Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I'm going to rest today and maybe see a doctor if I don't feel better.
That's a good idea. Don't worry about work. Just focus on getting better.
Thank you so much for understanding. I hope to be back tomorrow or the day after.
No problem. Take all the time you need. Get plenty of rest and drink lots of water.
I will. Thank you, Sarah.
Feel better soon, Olivia. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job, Olivia. Even when sick, you communicated clearly.
Thank you. It's important to call work when you're too sick to go.
Absolutely. Let's review what happened. You said, "I'm not feeling well today." This is a polite way to say you're sick. You can also say, "I don't feel good. I'm feeling sick. I'm under the weather." Under the weather is an idiom. It means you're not feeling your best. Then you said, "I think I need to stay home." Very direct. Perfect. Your manager asked, "What's wrong?" This is how people ask about your problem. You described your symptoms: headache, sore throat, and tired. Symptoms are the feelings or problems you have when you're sick. Let's learn common symptoms. A headache means your head hurts. A sore throat is pain in the throat. Tired means low energy. You also said, "I think I have a cold." A cold is when you have a runny nose, sneezing, coughing, and sore throat. Your manager suggested taking medicine and seeing a doctor. She said, "Take all the time you need and get plenty of rest." These are caring expressions. And she ended with, "Feel better soon."
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I'm not feeling well. I have a headache, a runny nose, and I'm sneezing a lot.
It sounds like you have a cold. Do you have a fever?
I don't know. I feel a little hot, but I didn't check my temperature.
Okay. Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little bit. Just sometimes.
Are you taking any other medications right now?
No, I'm not taking anything.
Good. I recommend this cold medicine. It'll help with your headache, runny nose, and fever. Take one tablet every 6 hours.
Every 6 hours? So, 4 times a day?
Exactly. Morning, afternoon, evening, and before bed. Take it with food.
With food. Got it. What about my cough?
For your cough, I recommend this cough syrup. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day.
1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Okay.
Also, make sure you drink plenty of water, get lots of rest, and eat healthy food like soup.
Thank you so much. How much is everything?
The cold medicine is $12 and the cough syrup is $8. Total is $20.
Here you go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Excellent, Olivia. You got the medicine you need.
Yes, the pharmacist was so helpful.
Let's review. Symptoms you mentioned were headache, runny nose, and sneezing. A runny nose means liquid comes out of your nose. Sneezing is sudden air out of nose or mouth. Fever means high temperature. Normal is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Cough is a sound from the throat, can be dry or wet. The pharmacist asked about other medications. That is very important. Dose instructions. Cold medicine is 1 tablet every 6 hours. Cough syrup is 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Also, drink water, rest, and eat healthy food. Let's review common symptoms. Headache, stomachache, backache, toothache, earache.
Temperature symptoms include fever, chills, and sweating. Respiratory symptoms are cough, sore throat, runny nose, stuffy nose, and sneezing.
Stuffy nose means blocked nose. Stomach problems include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Nausea is feeling like you might vomit.
Energy and balance symptoms are dizziness, fatigue, and weakness. Skin problems are rash, itching, and swelling. Rash means red spots or bumps.
Here are useful phrases for talking to a doctor. I've been feeling sick for 3 days. It started yesterday. It's getting worse. It hurts when I swallow.
You can also say, I feel dizzy when I stand up. Or, I can't eat because I feel nauseous.
To ask for help, can you recommend something for a headache? What should I take for a cold? Is this safe to take with other medications? Are there any side effects?
Side effects are problems caused by medicine, like drowsiness or upset stomach.
Go to the emergency room immediately if you have chest pain, difficulty breathing, very high fever over 39.5 degrees Celsius or 103 degrees Fahrenheit, severe bleeding, or sudden severe pain.
It's always better to be safe than sorry. You can say, I'm not feeling well. Can you help me?
Or, I think I need to see a doctor. Can you drive me? And, can you bring me some medicine from the pharmacy? Say to others, feel better soon. Get well soon. Take care of yourself.
When you start to feel better, say, I'm feeling better. I'm getting better. I'm almost back to normal.
Dear listeners, what do you do when you feel sick?
Do you see a doctor immediately? Or try home remedies first? And what's your favorite remedy for a cold? Write in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Click the like button if this lesson helped you. Share with friends who might need this vocabulary.
Thank you all for learning with us today.
Remember, when you're sick, don't be afraid to ask for help. Use these phrases to clearly describe how you feel.
And most importantly, take care of your health.
Until next time, stay healthy, everyone.
Goodbye.
See you soon.